In today's video, we are going to show you how to download and install DERIV MT5 on your laptop. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open your preferred browser and head over to the official website of DERIV, which is deriv.com. On the top right corner, you will notice that you have the option to open an account. If you don't have one yet, you'll be forwarded to a new page. All I have to do is click the sign up button, and to make the account creation faster and easier, you can sign up with your Google, Facebook, Apple, and follow the on-screen instructions. After creating your account, navigate to the CFD section or look for DERIV MT5 inside your dashboard, because this is where you can access the MetaTrader 5 platform provided by DERIV. So I'm choosing the MT5 CFDs. If you do, you'll be forwarded here. All I have to do is click the trade button. There is going to be a small pop-up window, and to install the MT5 on your laptop, I want you to click the MetaTrader 5 and save it in your computer. Once the download has started, all I have to do now is install it in your laptop and click the continue button. You want to make sure that you are not using a VPN or proxy, because that could interfere with the connection. Once the installation process has been completed, you just have to log in using your credentials. And if everything is correct, you should now see your account balance, market watch symbols, charts loading in real time. And that's how you can download and install DERIV MT5 on your laptop. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.